Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Kevin's Live here in Dunbrody House. It's great to be here. And today we are doing a lovely leek and crispy bacon bake in the oven. It's delicious. Also, it's a great midweek supper. It's super cheap to make and delicious to eat. So we have our leeks. We're just going to cut them into maybe 1.5 inches in circles or pieces like that. We're going to pop them into our boiling water here, okay, and I've just put a little bit of salt in there. And we're just going to let them cook for a few minutes while we have another pan on our stove here. We have our smoked bacon, which is streaky bacon, so you want a bit of fat going on in it. And we're just going to put them in. Get them going. Just put a little bit of butter in there too.
Can you use any of the vegetables?
Carrots would be nice too. If you do carrots, cut them the exact same way, and which will work there nicely as well. What else could you use? Aubergines, courgette. Courgette could get a bit wet though, could it? Okay, you can see there the bacon is cooked and the butter is melted. I'm just going to add in, so this is like a classic white sauce, bechamel sauce. A little bit of flour in there. And basically that's going to thicken the sauce. You just want to make sure that that flour is actually mixed in. And it slightly colors there. Then we're going to add in our milk.
Don't have any meat. Can you use boiling water from the leek? The poaching liquid of the leek.
You could, I guess. I wouldn't be a big fan of it now, Julian. But yes, yeah, you could. But no, you want this. You want the milk. And in fact, I'd actually throw in a little bit of cream in this, if I had my way. But I don't, because Julian said, "Kevin, this is what you're cooking." So I'm just doing what I'm told. All right, Julian.
Are you doing well?
Thank you. A little bit of black pepper. A little bit of salt. A little more milk. This is a lovely dish if you're doing like a roast chicken for dinner at the weekend. Do this as a side. Also, actually, the other vegetable which would be really nice, Julian, would be celery.
Oh yeah, actually yeah.
Be delicious, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
So, in your baking dish.
Bit of mustard maybe?
Yeah, well, the mustard for you anyways, for sure. So, you want to stand those on end.
Will you put some bechamel as well on the base, or do you put everything on the top?
Well, you can put a little bit on the base, which would be quite nice actually. I probably should have done that, but it'll work out fine the way I'm doing it. There you go. Okay, you can see the leeks are in there. Your bechamel sauce with the bacon. Pour that. The sauce is actually going to the bottom there, Julian, anyway, so.
Yeah. Did well, yeah.
Is that all right, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, a little bit of breadcrumbs over top. And some cheese, that's cheddar cheese. 15 minutes in the oven, lads, 180 degrees. It's perfect. And we have one that we cooked earlier. You can see there, it's just sizzling away. Oh, it's lovely. Absolutely delicious. A lovely leek and bacon bake in the oven. serve it as a main dish or serve it as a side to go with your lovely roast dinner. It's perfect. See you tomorrow, guys.